So here we have Windows Live Movie Maker, the empty movie panel. There's a slider here to make the movie on the left larger and the assets on the right go here. If you just click that, you can open the open panel or go up to the movie button there. We'll just select a few movies and a picture here, bring them in, and in they come. You need to deselect to make sure you've got this little play bar before you can start moving things around, and it's just a case of dragging and dropping to put them in the right order. This is your timeline, so this is the order in which they appear. Okay. So what we're going to do is put some title and credits in here. So click up for the title. We'll just make it Michael's Movie. You'll notice the background is black and we have the text underneath. The text is going to last 7 seconds, so we'll change that to 4. And the background is going to last 7 seconds as well, so we'll change that to 4 as well. So it's speeding it up a little bit. So let's go back home and add some credits. Let's see, there's several there. We'll just type in Michael O'Grady. And it appears as a black area there, and again it's lasting 7 seconds. So let's have Michael O'Grady starring, and don't miss any opportunity to watermark and to give people the opportunity of seeing where your website is. So again, this is 7 seconds. Now these movie clips just go from one to the other, quite abrupt. But if we go into animations, we can hover over some of these different animations, and it shows us how the animation between one clip to another is going to take place. So let's have this pixelated one. And just click on the beginning of the next section, choose your transition. There's quite a few. This is a sort of a pivoting one. Okay. Ideally, your movies wouldn't have a wide range of these. They'd all perhaps be the same, or they'd be complementary. Funny face. But you can see it puts a transparent triangle over the beginning of the clips where you have a transition. So it's quite obvious where you have and haven't put in transitions. So there's something just happened a bit strange there. My credits disappeared to be C, and my credits have actually physically disappeared. So let's just get rid of that. My other credits disappeared, so I need to get rid of both. Just bring them back. Click on that one again. No. So I'll put them both back in. It's always the way in which you put things in 2 or 3 times. You always get quicker. Okay, so we'll put starring in, and we'll just sort of slim this down a little bit. So we're getting to the end now. For the assignment, you need to make sure this whole event is lasting at least a minute. So let's put another transition in. There we go, the crocodile teeth one. So now what we need to do perhaps is add some music. I'm not going to actually leave music in here, but you just navigate to some MP3 files, drop them in, and it puts them in as long as for as long as the video lasts, or for as long as the audio lasts. Obviously this Dire Straits, I shouldn't be copyrighting that, so we'll just delete that, and then we'll go and save the movie. It creates a WMV file. Here's what I did earlier and overwrite, and it takes about 5 minutes, so we'll just come out of that and come back to it when it's done. Wasn't that quick? Let's just play, see what it looks like in the finished movie. Obviously I'm playing movies here on screen and recording them, so they just slow down a little bit with the processor demand. Okay, but the picture quality is quite good. And remember, this is high definition, 1280 by 720. So what we do now is we go into our video YouTube video channel. Mine's Multimedia Sausage Machine. And then upload. We only have 2 at the minute. This is going to be our 3rd one, and just select it. Now I'm not actually going to upload this one. I'm going to upload the movie that is the making of this one, which I'm doing in Camtasia 5 as it happens. And when I've finished, there will be 3 in the area. Okay, so by all means have a look at that. It should be significantly better because I've done things a little more professional. Please give it some votes.